come here. I think this might be for you, Ben. Come here, please.
What?
Come answer it.
Hello? Hello? Hey, can I talk to you? Santa? Are you Santa? Yes. We need you some sugar cookies, but we need gingerbread ones and Christmas tree ones. Like that Christmas tree right there.
Ben, Santa's still talking to you. Come here. Don't you want to listen to Santa? He's still talking to you. I'm sorry, Santa.
I'm sorry, Santa. Yes, but it's still okay. And yes, I want a mini toaster and a meat toast and the greatest set too. Those are the best Christmas I want.
Say thank you, Santa.
Thank you, Santa. Okay. Okay. Good night, Santa.
Good night, Santa.
Wait, Santa, are you gonna fly with your reindeers? What is the name called? What? How did you make this fly with the sky? Santa, you did everything with this smile. Then you fill out the presents. All to every house. I will go to you right here in my lightning bed. Then, when I wake up, it'll be Christmas morning. Then, we'll have Christmas breakfast. Then, you'll have limited presents. I get to open them. It'll be so great because I love the presents. I always wanted presents, but I have a present for you. His name is Green Overalls, and he was in the toy department of a big store. His name called. He has a new name, and he has a new name. He's brown with green overalls. Not that. You know who is the best one? You know who his name is? His name is, when I get him, he'll say hello to you. Then he'll do lots of stuff with you. Then we'll come tomorrow, we'll come and see tomorrow night Santa will come over to your workshop and play with you with my new friend. My new friend will like you. You'll like my new friend. He is he's brown with green overalls. He lives in the trade department of a big store. You know who his name is called? You know, Dad has green overalls. Okay, but this night we're gonna tell you about the new bear. He is a bear. You know who is what his name is called. His name isn't called a whale. It's called a bear. B is for big. He isn't a real scary bear, but he's a nice bear. He lives in a trailer park. Try. We feel happy to see it. Try. Very happy. See my yellow new friend. Hello, Santa. Santa, this is Whoopsie. Okay, Santa. Okay, Santa. Now, talk to Dad. Dad, can you talk to Santa?
Yes, sir.